Designed in Canva, built in Jetpack Compose, let's create a product card. Open Canva 801,000px canvas. Open Canva Elements. Search for brown jacket. Browse the available images. Select the best image that matches the product. Drag and place the image onto the product card. Adjust the size and position to fit the card design. Export as PNG files. Here is the second image. Export as PNG files. Open Android Studio and set up a project using Jetpack Compose. Set the title text inside, text composable. Use spacer for spacing between elements. Add product cards inside a row. Add the product card card 1, image created in Canva to card 1. Add the product card card 2, image created in Canva to card 2. Created a product card composable with image, title, and price parameters. Added a card to display the product details. Added an image for the product picture. Added a column to arrange text vertically. Displayed the product title using text. Used a spacer to create space between text. Displayed the product price using text. Here's the final result. Tips. Follow along with the series to learn more. Jetpack Compose UI components and build modern Android apps step by step.